fix limited access on Discord. So if you want to fix the limited access on your Discord, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply go with search and search for Discord Help Center and just go with the Discord support option, which is on the first. And now here you need to simply go with the search bar and search for limited access, and you'll get limited access FAQ, which is right here. Just click on it and scroll down, and here you will get the information on how you can fix your limited access problem. So you just need to simply go with the bottom of your screen and you will have getting out of limited access. You can simply go with these options or just simply go with submit a ticket here and enter your email address, and you need to enter the subject, which is limited access, and then under the description you need to write that I'm facing problems with limited access on my Discord, so please help me with that problem. And you can also add some screenshots or files if you want to and go with submit. And once you've submitted the request, then you might get some fixes about that. So that's how you can fix your limited access on your Discord. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.